Hey everyone, I am so excited to announce that my Paint and Palooza classes are now available on Skillshare. I believe to my core that anyone can learn how to paint as long as you're shown how, and that is what I do. I take you through step by step. Some of the paintings we'll be doing you can see behind me. We'll be even doing the colorful background. Honestly, painting is not a skill you're born with. You have to learn the skills and practice them over and over. And although some of us might acquire the skills quicker than others, anyone can do this. We can all learn how to use color and form to make art and have a ton of fun along the way. So even if you've never picked up a paintbrush before, you can do this. My first class is on Skillshare now. Click the link below in the description and it will take you there, and you'll get your first 2 months of membership with Skillshare free. There are a ton of creative opportunities for you on this amazing platform. So I look forward to meeting you, and I look forward to painting with you.